There were 4,898 books sold at a bookstore in June. In July, there were 4 times as many books sold. Which estimate is closest to the number of books sold at the bookstore in July? The key word here to notice is the word estimate. And when you see the word estimate, you want to think round first. When I find an estimate, the exact answer is not important. All we need is an answer that is close to. In that case, I'm going to take my equation and I'm going to round the 4,898. I'm going to look at 48. That rounds to 50. So my number is 5,000 times 4. Much easier to multiply. 0, 0, 0, and then 5 times 4 is 20. Your answer is D.